So let's install Stable Diffusion Web UI. Open a browser and find the GitHub link, which points to automatic 1111. That is the version of Stable Diffusion that we want to install. This is how the UI is going to look. I will explain more when we get there, but let's first install it. So all we have to do is go to the installation section, installation and running, and to follow this instruction based on what operating system we have. In my case, I have Apple Silicon. So it says find the instructions here. I will follow these instructions. But if you have Windows or Linux, you should follow these. They are quite clear. I will show you how to run these instructions. You need to run them in the terminal. So let's go to these Apple Silicon instructions. And it says, if Homebrew is not installed, follow the instructions at this link. Let's assume you don't know if you have Homebrew or not. If you don't know, you probably do not have it. So just go here and copy this link. And then in your search, go to terminal. This is our terminal right here. Once the terminal is open, just copy paste the command there and click on enter. It asks me for my password. It asks me to press enter to confirm. I pressed, and now it just needs a couple of seconds, and when it is installed, it's gonna show me a confirmation. The installation was successful, you can see. I already had the Homebrew installed, but it is not a problem to rerun the command. It's just gonna update the library and give me the latest version. Okay, now let's go back to our instructions. Open a new terminal window and run this command. So let's just do that. This is installing a couple of packages that we need to run Stable Diffusion. Once it confirms that it has been installed, we can officially git clone the repository. I already did that, so I will not do it again. But all you need to do is just to clone the repository by running this command. And then you will have Stable Diffusion, that is all. To find it, just click ls, and it will show you all the folders that you have in the particular place where you are in your terminal. This is, for example, at the root. So you can see that I installed Stable Diffusion here. All I need to do is press cd, which stands for change directory, Stable Diffusion Web UI. These instructions are here too, you see. And once that is done, we need to run this command to start Stable Diffusion. So let's just do that now. And this is our UI. Great. You may have noticed that I jumped over point 4, which is explaining where we should add models in our folder. So in the next video, I will show you how to find models, how to switch between them, how to install them in Stable Diffusion, and what kind of results they can produce.